What's up, Flomies? My name is Breann, and today I'm going to be showing you this horizontal pinch, which looks just like this. You can do that on both hands, going both directions. It's a super fun way to kind of just have a stationary flow. Maybe if you are at a show and you don't have a lot of room, or maybe you're just not in a space where flow is like openly encouraged, but you still want to do it. This is a really good trick to kind of just pull out. It's also a great beginner trick to kind of just get used to the weight distribution of the Flowstar and playing around with pinching those different sides of the fabric. So what you're going to want to do is take one side of your Flowstar and pinch the fabric. So as you can see, we got double-sided fabric. We're just going to grab the one side. Doesn't really matter where you grab, but you will notice at the different points of where you're grabbing, you're going to have a different amount of time with your spin. So if you're grabbing towards the bottom, you're going to have quick spin, fast spin, because there's not a lot of fabric to go around. If you go up at the top, it'll be more of a longer spin. So that is something to notice when doing this trick. But what you're going to grab the fabric and face your Flowstar downwards and your wrist downwards. So you've just got a little pincher grip on there. Then you're going to start circling your wrist around. And the faster you circle your wrist, the faster your Flowstar is going to go to get that really trippy effect with your design. And you'll also be able to have more force of motion to go between the different directions as well. Easier when you are rotating your wrist faster. So what I'm doing is literally like scribbling basically onto a piece of paper, like a crazy 3-year-old, you know, like, and while I'm pinching the Flowstar. A fun way to incorporate this trick into your flow is to go into your pizza toss and then drop it straight down and catch it at the perfect timing in that pinch, just like this. Then you can switch it around and get into your flow. And that is the horizontal pinch. I hope you guys have so much fun learning this tricks and showing your Flomies. And make sure to comment and let us know what other tutorials you'd like to see. And of course, give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Happy flowing!